If you are considering launching a product on Amazon, you need to understand product validation. What's going on, everyone? My name's Anthony Cofrancesco from Seller Systems and Data Dive, and I have seen hundreds of students and our users launch products on Amazon. Some of them have been super successful and make a lot of money. Many people are not successful. In this masterclass, we're going to be showing you three things. First is all of the most common ways that people fail when launching new products on Amazon and how to avoid making those same mistakes yourself. Next, we're going to explain the principles of product validation, how to determine the risk level of a niche prior to launching the product. Last, we're going to explain how to accurately forecast the budget required to launch a product. The key thing to remember is if you do not have an acceptable amount of money to launch a specific product, you are almost certainly going to fail or run out of stock. It's really important you understand this, and we're going to be explaining this to you in this free masterclass. If you're interested in registering, please click the link down below to get signed up. Again, this is totally free, and we are going to go deep on product validation. Thanks so much. Click the link down to register, and we'll see you inside.